what was the most valuable thing was honestly the workshops. Those are the things that like you want to know, and that like even though you're asking your professors, there's only but so much that they know. So by getting the advice from the real life entrepreneurs who are in the field, actually making this happen, I think that's like completely. I don't think you can put a value on that because it's just, I mean, that's that gold that you need. That's that nugget that you've been looking for. Because I remember asking like tons of my professors like what like how do you raise money from investors? Like how does that process work? What structure should I pick? Do I do a convertible note, a straight equity? Do I, do a safe? And they don't really know about it. But when you ask an actual entrepreneur who's in the field, they can tell you, hey, look, listen, this is what this is, this is what that is, and this is what this is. And based on your situation, you should probably go forward with this because this is more founder friendly. Um, and so basically, like the safe would be more founder friendly. I felt that it was very beneficial to hear that from these some of them were even angel investors that were hosting these workshops. So it's like you're even though like you're going in this competition and you want to win the money to start your business, you're getting an education through this. And I felt that the workshops um, was by far. I wish I had more time to go to each and every one of those workshops because there was a piece of like valuable information in each one of them. And